Finding the right audio cable can make or break your sound experience. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best virtual audio cable solutions that deliver premium sound quality without breaking the bank. Mention links to products in description. Number 5, Warrky Optical Audio Cable. This 6-foot digital optical cable brings together solid performance with thoughtful design elements that many competitors overlook. What makes it stand out is its focus on bridging the gap between your devices and delivering that crystal clear sound you've been searching for. It adopts fiber cores from Toray, Japan, which means you're getting zero distortion in your digital audio stream. This translates to incredibly clean sound whether you're dealing with uncompressed PCM audio or those complex 5.1 to 7.1 surround sound systems. Dolby Digital Plus, DTS HD High Resolution, and LPCM all work flawlessly with this cable, essentially turning your living room into a proper home theater setup. Number 4, KabelDirekt TOSLINK Optical Audio Cable. This 6-foot fiber optic cord demonstrates what happens when you combine thoughtful engineering with practical functionality, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking dependable digital audio transmission. What sets this cable apart is its metal-free design that completely eliminates electrical interference. Unlike cables that use metal components, this fully flexible PVC jacketed option remains entirely immune to electromagnetic disturbances that can plague other connections. Each unit undergoes multi-stage testing during manufacturing, ensuring you receive a product that meets strict quality standards right out of the box. Number 3, FosPower Digital Audio Coaxial Cable. Signal stability stands as this cable's strongest feature. It incorporates polyethylene foam dielectric insulation that dramatically reduces signal loss during transmission. This technical approach ensures your digital audio maintains its integrity from source to destination, whether you're running high-resolution audio files or standard digital content through your system. Build construction addresses real-world usage demands effectively. The PVC jacket provides necessary flexibility for routing around entertainment centers and tight spaces, while copper-braided shielding works alongside aluminum foil shielding to minimize unwanted ME and RFI interference. This dual-layer protection keeps your audio signal clean even in electrically noisy environments. Number 2, IVANKY Optical Audio Cable. Length flexibility changes everything about your installation options. That extra long 10-foot design means you can separate your audio source from your speakers or receiver without being constrained by short cable runs. You'll enjoy the same pristine, lossless audio quality while having complete freedom to arrange your home theater, gaming system, or audio components according to your room layout rather than cable limitations. Durability surpasses typical expectations for optical cables. Instead of conventional PVC jackets that crack and fail over time, it features high-quality nylon braided construction that withstands over 15,000 bends without breaking. The aluminum shell and 24K gold-plated connectors prevent tarnishing while maintaining optimal conductivity throughout years of use. Number 1, CableCreation 3.5mm Audio Cable. The CableCreation 3.5mm audio cable earns the top spot because it solves multiple audio connection challenges in one versatile package. This 3-foot right-angle cable with microphone support represents the perfect balance of functionality, durability, and universal compatibility that makes it our strongest recommendation for most users. That 90-degree right-angle design solves real-world connection problems that plague straight connectors. You can easily connect to tight spaces and hard-to-reach areas where normal straight plugs simply won't fit. This becomes incredibly valuable when connecting to car audio systems, dashboard-mounted devices, or entertainment centers with limited clearance around ports. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.